Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to create dashboard in Salesforce. If you want to learn more about reports and dashboard, so please watch all video of this playlist. Let's start. Simply goes to dashboards. After that, click here new dashboard. Here write the name of the dashboard. I am right here account dashboard. After that, select here folder. By default, it's selected as private dashboards. Here I am select ACC dashboard. Select folder. Now account dashboard folder is selected. After that, create. Here we can see account dashboard is created. After that, simply click here plus component. Here we can see two reports is available, accounts report and sample flow reports. Here I am select first accounts report. After that, select. Here we can see here we can see report is accounts report, and here use chart setting for this report. Display as horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, stack horizontal bar chart. These are the options. Firstly, I am select this horizontal bar chart. After that, here y-axis, x-axis, these are the some options of that component. Here we can see footer, subtitle, title. Here component theme is also available. By default, it's selected as light. We can select dark or light. After that, simply add this component. Now this component is added. After that, I am add another component for account report. Now I am add vertical bar chart. After that, add. Now vertical bar chart is available in dashboard. After that, I am add another component from sample flow report. I am add this component metric chart. After that, add. Now metric chart is added on dashboard. In this way, we can add number of component in dashboard. After that, save this. Name of dashboard is account dashboard. After that, save. Now we can see dashboard is successfully created and it contains these three components. In this way, we can create dashboard in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.